Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. You're new to the page. You know what to do. Go ahead and do yourself a favor. Hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell. Hey, and if you've been rolling with me, go ahead and hit the notification bell. I just wanted to get a brief one out today. But first, I want to tell you about Webull, which is a trading platform. They have it now to where you can download. You can download from my link below and deposit 1 penny to open up an account. A penny. All right, good people. And now they've raised it to where they're going to give you 5 free stock, worth up to now $8,300. So everybody take advantage of that. So let's get into what's going on with the market. I just want to tell you guys that me personally, but remember first, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell, okay? Stock or crypto. But what I want to tell you guys is I didn't buy anything today. There's a time when you just want to sit still. There's times when you want to assess the market. But I'll tell you some things, especially for you guys that are new, and even for some of you guys that's been trading for a little while now. What I would not be doing right now is I would not be using margins right now. The market is going through just a strange time. You could listen to one analyst, they'll tell you that, we're in big trouble. And then you'll listen to another analyst and they'll tell you we're getting set up for another, great year in Q1. And so no one knows exactly 100%. That's the fact. So what do you do right now? What do you do right now? What I'm doing right now is I'm buying stock with reasonable PEs, okay? I'm not buying high evaluation stock. That's not what I'm doing. Including, I'll tell you, Tesla went down a lot today, and I really wanted to buy some Tesla. And I've been buying Tesla every time it went under $900, okay? I'm sorry, under $1,000. So every time Tesla went under $1,000, I bought more. Today I didn't, even though it came down even more. I'm going to kind of see where where the rest of this week goes, and it's selling off. But I have learned over the years is that I don't have to get it at the absolute bottom. As a matter of fact, it's actually safer to wait for a stock or a crypto to actually bottom out and then show signs of recovery. Okay. And if you're not sure if it's actually a bottom, because charts are only suggestions, they're not law of what's going to happen, then you could start to DCA, dollar cost average in. All right, good people. So for those of you that want to get into investing, because a lot of you guys are trading and you're not investing, this is a season, me personally, I think you ought to be looking for the long-term stock, especially the ones that's been beaten down. Look for stock that you can invest in. I'm thinking that in the beginning of 2020, I am going to look at 4 to 5 stock and about 3 crypto that I'm just going to share the portfolio with you guys. I'm going to start a new $5 a day challenge, and I'm just going to share this. I'm going to create this portfolio, and I'm going to share this portfolio with you guys. And there's going to be months to where that portfolio is just going to be flat. There's going to be months to where that portfolio is going to be red. But then there's going to be years to come where that portfolio will be green. And this is the beauty of dollar cost averaging in. Buying the same stock with the same amount of money every week, every bi-weekly, or every monthly. And the reason why I'm calling it my $5 a day challenge or $1 million cup of coffee is because you can do this with $5 a day. I may do it with a little more, and we're just going to look at the percentages, but you'll be able to follow and start to create generational wealth. So I'm going to share that portfolio with you. I'm going to start it the closest day I can to January 1st, okay? So we can get a fresh start. And for those of you that's already following a $5 a day cup of coffee or $5 a day challenge, you could continue with that one. I do have one already, but I'm just gonna start with a fresh one so everybody could start. And the stock and crypto that I'm gonna suggest is just a suggestion. You can replace it with whatever you want, but it needs to be something that's going to be high growth. All right, good people? Something you see that's going to give you a good growth spurt over the next 10 years, 5 years. Okay, so that's what I want to say. And lastly, I want you guys to look at something. All right, especially you guys that some of you newer guys that say, hey, I don't never want to learn anything about the stock market. I just want to do crypto. I'm telling you it's a big mistake and you need to look at the stock market also. Here's why. So this is the Dow Jones, right? It's similar to Bitcoin. What I mean by that is if Bitcoin crashes, all crypto goes down. The same thing with the Dow. If the Dow crashes, all stock are going down. All right. Kinda. All right. So look at this. So you see here, I got it on a 5-day. This is the Dow Jones Industrial, right? So, but look at this. This is the Dow and the S&P. All right. And these are two indexes. So it just kind of, if you have the Dow, the S&P, and the NASDAQ all crash, all stock are crashing, pretty much, right? So it's just like Bitcoin. For those of you that are new, all right? If Bitcoin tanks, it's taking the whole market down, all right? So look at this. This is the Dow, and then this is the S&P 500, okay? So you see the correlation, run up, down. See that? Up, down on both. See the correlation? But now look at this. Look at crypto. Now this is Bitcoin. This blue line is Bitcoin. So this had a run up. This had a big run up. You see how it does these little dips? Still 5 days, right? Okay. So you see how it comes down? You see these little moves here where it run up here, and look at what crypto did. Boom. See here? See here where it ran up there? Look at what crypto did. Boom. You see here where it started to cool off? This is the S&P and the Dow up here. Look at what crypto did. Boom. You see how it started to rebound and come back up? Look at what crypto did. Rebound and come back up. For those of you that think, hey, I'm just going to concentrate on crypto and I don't want to learn about the stock market, you're doing yourself a disjustice, okay? And I'm just telling you, I'm showing you there is a direct correlation, and you will not do well with just doing crypto and not knowing the stock market. I'm not telling you you should be invested in the stock market. I'm telling you you should study the stock market because you're going to be a better trader with crypto. So right now during this season, I'm only looking at stock that is going to grow over the next 5 to 10 years. Because if you buy something today and it's down a little more tomorrow, then okay, you're taking a little bath. No big deal if you're holding it long. So that's the difference in swing trading, day trading, and investing. And if you're just trading and you're just swing trading, you're going to swing yourself broke over 10, 20 years. You need to be investing for a better life, for retirement. You need to be investing because investing over a long period of time is going to beat your swing trades. Now, I do them all. I day trade, I swing trade, but mostly I invest. The reason why I'm investing right now is because all of the new technology that's going to be worth a lot of money. Okay, just what is that? Metaverse, $14 trillion industry, trillion with a T in the next 10 years. You just look at all of these electric vehicles, charging stations, fintech, financial tech is so much that is beat down right now that are on sale. Bitcoin, okay, blockchain technology, period. And so you look at these, and I can guarantee you, if you come back to this video in 5 years, you're going to be saying, thank God I set up my foundation and made these moves now. This information I'm giving you right now is better than yelling at the next new coin. I'm telling you right now, this is how you build wealth. People that are just want to chase just the speculative stock, you're trying to get rich. But if you want to build wealth, keyword being build, then you need to start investing in long-term stock and crypto. Okay? If you want to build generational wealth, you must be willing to hold a stock or a crypto for a generation. So you can make that quick money, that quick bounce, but let's start looking at what's going to make us money long term. All right? I'm going to leave it right there, good people. Listen, don't fall for any spam. I'll never talk about a WhatsApp, a broker, leave you a number, ask you to send Bitcoin or money or anywhere. None of that. Ask you how your portfolio going. That's not me. It's spam. All right, good people. But remember to check out all of the links below, especially the Webull link. Okay. So people have been asking me about the clock. I do have. I'm. You know what? I'm just not gonna. I'll post a link about the clock on Monday, my $5 a day, $1 million cup of coffee clock. But man, to be honest with you, I want you guys to do everything you can for the tornado victims. So any money you have, do something that you can and make sure you're sending it to the right. I'm not going to post any phone numbers or anything because I don't want to give you guys any wrong information. We have people that are out, no home. There were people that was working in that candle factory. Not only did the candle factory implode on them, some of them in the hospital, and they have no home to go to during this Christmas season. Oh, okay, good people. So let's continue to do what we all can. All right. I love you guys, and we will see you tomorrow. Live, love, laugh, and learn.